Here at the Lane rental property. Just a picture here, pretty tight space. Picture of the unit there. Goes all the way back in that closet area. It's from front to back, 33 inches. It's hard to get a measurement on the actual depth of the furnace. 16.5 inches inside the inside there. You can see there's not much space in there. Electric down on the side here. Gas lines over here. There's your line set running back in the closet there. Again, you can see your supply there. Returns right down. On the side there as the lights blink. Get your drain running out of the front of it over into the wall. Right in this little location here. Water heater's back on this side. Electrical, everything there. Coming in through the door, which is over here. And the kitchen there is where the furnace goes. Down the hallway, this is an apartment unit. Thermostat. And then again, return.